Hello, and welcome to another Dark Nook video. In this video, I'm making this vase I got from the dollar store into a spooky light-up decoration. It's super cheap, super simple, and anybody can do it. I'm using a string of LEDs called a cork light, also sometimes called fairy lights, depending on where you get them. Now, if you buy just one of these, it's probably going to run you about 10 bucks. But you can get these off of Amazon in a 10-pack for like $12, and that's the way to go. So I'm painting it a nice steel color because I want it to look like a metal stopper in an apothecary bottle. Once I get the base coat on, I just dab the paint to create a texture. That helps it look more like a hammered metal stopper. Once that's painted, I set it aside. Now I'm just applying some hot glue around the neck of the vase and sticking on this little piece of costume jewelry. It's a little lace bracelet that I also got from the dollar store, but it's got this neat little skull and crossbones cameo trinket on it that I think looks really neat on this bottle. I'll wrap it around the neck and make sure it's stuck well into the glue, and any little bits that are sticking up, I'll hit those with a little extra dab of glue, but just a tiny little bit. A little dab goes a long way with hot glue. You don't want to use too much or it'll start to get all gloppy and it won't look good. Once that's done, I'm ready to insert the lights. You can take the wire, unravel it, stretch it out, just so you don't have all the LEDs in one place in the bottle. Then just poke them down into the neck of the bottle, and if you want to adjust the positioning of the lights, just turn the top bit a little bit, rotate it until they move around inside the bottle to a position you like. Put the stopper in and you're all done. That's it. Simple as that. Turn it on and check out how it looks. And here's what it looks like all finished. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you can get notified of any new content. And thanks for checking out my channel.